Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, please continue watching. I will start by applying this primer on my face. This is the Prep and Prime by MAC Cosmetics, and I'll be applying this all over my face. Alright guys, so I'll be using this L'Oreal concealer as a base for my eyeshadow. I find that when I do that, my eyeshadow stays a little longer, and I'll be using the Beauty Blender and just blend everything out. Next, I'll be using this Aurora Lights palette from BH Cosmetics, guys, and I love this color. I'm gonna be using this luminous color, and I'll be applying this all over my crease. Just blend everything out, guys. Then taking the fluorescent color from the same palette, I'm just going to be applying this all over my lid. But first, guys, I'm going to be using Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, guys. I'll just spray this on my blending brush, my eyeshadow blending brush. And I find that when I do that, my shadow stays a little longer. So you guys can try it too. And then after that, I'm just going to start tapping my eyeshadow and just applying it all over my lid. So I'm gonna be making this wing using my Too Faced liquid liner, and I like to make thin wings, guys. I don't know why, but that's just my thing. So I'll be using those lashes that I got from the beauty supply. And then I'm gonna be using the glue that I got from Amazon, and this was a pack of 3. It was about $8.99, I think. Yeah, I think so. But it's good. I love it. My lashes don't go anywhere. And these lashes were about $4. They're the Mink L3D lashes, and these were about $3 or $4. But I love them. They're so nice and soft. Yes. And then I'm just going to be applying my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey around my dark spots. Alright guys, for my foundation, I'm just going to be using my Studio Fix Fluid by MAC in the shade 44. And then I'm just going to be dabbing it all over my face and start blending with my Beauty Blender. I'm gonna use my Urban Decay setting spray and just spray a little bit on my Beauty Blender, and then just start blending the foundation with it, and that makes it stay a little longer. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using the same concealer that I used as a base for my eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply this under my eyes, my nose, my cheeks, my mouth, and my forehead. And I'm just going to be highlighting with that. And then I'm going to be using my Beauty Blender and just blend everything out. Alright guys, for my contour, I'm just going to be using the same LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. And then I'm going to be using my Beauty Blender and just blend everything out. I'm just going to get my brush and just blend my nose with it. I find that that helps me better. You guys can use the same beauty blender, but I use the brush, which works better for me. And then I'm going to be getting my beauty blender again and then just blend everything out on my forehead so we don't have lines, girls. Alright guys, so to set my highlight, I'm just going to be using this banana powder and I'm just going to be baking, you know, bake. Okay, and then I'm just going to use my powder brush to blend everything out. Alright guys, I'm going to be using my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish Dark Powder and I'm just going to be applying this all over my face and just to blend everything out, guys. Blend everything out. Blend everything out. Hey, blend everything out. Hey. Alright guys, I'm going to be using the same color Fluorescent and just applying it under my lower lash line. Alright, for my blush, I'm going to be using this 10 color palette professional blush from BH Cosmetics and I will be applying this pinkish color. Alright guys, for my highlight, I'll be using Too Faced Apricot in the Act blush duo and I'll be using the highlight. Oh my gosh, I love it. And for my lipstick, I'll be using this Colorholic lipstick that I got from the beauty supply, guys. It is the bomb. And the name is Lucy. Alright guys, to top up my lipstick, I'm gonna be using this Voyeur Is Me. I don't know how to pronounce it. Voyeur Is Me from MAC. And this is the deal, guys. It is the bomb. Okay? This is good. This is some good stuff. Alright? Yeah, I'm gonna be applying this and ooh, I love it. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using this Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and I'm just going to spray all over my face, you know, just to make sure this is all set. Okay. And then I'm going to be using my mascara from Too Faced and just, you know, giving it a little boost. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to ring the bell so you can get notifications when I upload something new, you know. And until next time guys, see you later. Bye. Thanks for watching. Mwah.